Want a clean, secure mount for your wall decor? Our high-quality aluminum Z-clip kits are the perfect fit. Start by selecting the length that's right for you. Our 2, 4, and 6-inch kits include multiple pairs, perfect for smaller frames and lightweight panels. The 12-inch option offers added support, ideal for medium-sized pieces. And for larger installations, opt for our 18, 24, or 30-inch cleats for maximum stability and strength. Installation is simple. Mark your placement. Keep it level. Get it right the first time with our self-centered sign setter. Mount one cleat to the wall with the included hardware, and the other to your panel. Align your piece, then lift and place to interlock the cleats for professional results in minutes. These install-ready cleats offer a low-profile mounting solution, perfect for frames, mirrors, and cabinets in a variety of sizes. Available now from MBS Standoffs, your source for high-quality mounting and display solutions.